Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 283. I'm incredibly excited to announce that my friend Susie Harrison from Photography by Susie will be conducting a workshop on Monday, April 16th with a backup date of Tuesday, May 1st, because it is weather dependent, on senior posing, specifically working with guys. Now this is really exciting because have you ever tried to pose senior guys? It can be a little bit challenging. Actually, posing in general can be challenging, but especially if you have a 17 or 18-year-old guy who might be a little shy. Not all of them are, but Susie is the master at posing, and we have selected an urban environment that is really cool. I anticipate that this workshop will fill. We are allowing 10 people in. I will post the link below to register. Susie is in high demand in our area because her senior photography is amazing. If you're not familiar with her work, I will also post that link below. But if you're interested, you'll definitely want to register. I will be there as well, hands-on, helping, with your settings or any questions that you may have. This will be a shooting workshop, fully hands-on. You will be permitted to use the images on your website in your portfolio, just referencing the Flourish Academy. So you'll definitely want to join us. I hope to see you there. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.